Well, good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to Arboleas on a beautiful afternoon. Blue skies are back, and I'm over to do a villa of an absolutely cracking bargain. And genuinely, bear with me, watch the video. This is Villa Cinta, around 175 metres of build on a good size private garden in the hamlet of El Rincon, so very easy walking distance to the Castillo bar restaurant and the two bars over in the Cinta. So flagstone driveway coming in from double gates. That's an entrance into the utility room. That's almost like the back door, and then leads off into the kitchen. Now, the house is an inheritance property, so it's been kind of, the furniture's all been removed and it is looking a bit tired, but crikey, that's more than reflected in the price. So this wonderful summer room kind of bar with its own bathroom just off to the right here. Now, how's that? That's impressive, isn't it? You'll see from the other side the pool's around to the left here through that door out onto another terrace, and then you go up onto the pool terrace. Ample room to put kitchen equipment out in the room out there, and there's even a bathroom in here. One second. Sorry, I said bathroom, but it's a large cloakroom, but I suppose there's ample room in there to fit a shower if you needed to. Beautiful vaulted wood ceilings, and then ample room out there for a kitchen if required. All the electrics are out there and plumbing as well. Now, that building I've just filmed used to be a garage, but you don't need a garage anymore because look, put in this kind of opaque sliding door here, and that leads into a very large covered carport just around the side there, discreetly tucked away. So a beautiful hidden area. There's the carport. At the back of that, an independent good sized block store shed, and then that's the front door tucked away over there, and then you've got this wonderful shaded porch off of that with extendable awnings. The garden's all been sectioned off, which I very much like. You know, so if you've got dogs, you've got young children, it's easy to secure parts of the garden. So this is coming off of the summer kitchen bar building. Check that out. Huge, great big barbecue there. Look, used to be a dartboard. You saw that door a minute ago from the other side. And a wonderful shaded awning. Pressed concrete flooring. It would cost very little money to bring this up to absolutely premium, but if this wasn't all here, it would cost an awful amount of money to actually add it all on. So that's the kitchen just there, the first window, then coming round onto the lounge, and then double door access off there that leads out into this beautiful glazed conservatory winter room that looks up over the fully secure pool terrace and a wonderful backdrop. So you've got an 8x4 tile pool there, you know, that's in need of some refreshment, but hardly any tiles missing, and I don't think it'd be too much to bring up to spec. Little pan round from this side, that's the conservatory, lounge, kitchen, and then the kind of bar summer kitchen area. You can see it from the top to give you some idea of scale, and then you've got this kind of section of the garden that's underdeveloped, if you like, ready for some nice plants and shrubs. And this corridor running along the back there, you see, that takes you to the block built storage room at the end of the carport. This could be absolutely magnificent, and crikey, just under a smidge under 185,000 euros, guys, absolutely incredible. But I do appreciate there's those that don't want to do a little bit of work and stuff like that. You want to move into something perfect and key ready, in which case this wouldn't be the one for you. But for anyone able to pay some builders, local tradespeople, which we can help you with, or do the work yourself, this could be magnificent. Now, this was a Lakes Vega build, so had the cavity wall insulation and all stuff like that, but so very high spec villa. Coming in through this door, I'm coming in through the kitchen door, so that's into a small utility room. Actually, it might have been a Promar rather than Lakes Vega, sorry. Good size kitchen area. That's MDF worktop, so probably this will have to be totally revamped. But again, not the end of the world. Door access off of here into the lounge sitting room. Good size 28-metre room. Corner mounted wood burning fire. It's actually a fan assisted one. You've got twin ceiling fans, there's an air conditioning unit, and those double doors there go out to the conservatory, which in turn overlooks the pool area. It's a nice neutral tiling scheme throughout. You know, a bit grubby at the moment, but again, that can easily be brought up to scratch. And now off of the lounge into this very good size glazed conservatory. All these windows slide back, there's fly screens behind them. And you can see it's even got Persianas, so it can be totally shaded. And then double door access off of here out to the garden. So back there into the lounge, and then further double door access off of the main bedroom. Front door there in front of us. You saw the porch that's covered off of the front door there, and then you come into a nice entrance hallway, and the lounge is immediately in front of you, and then access to the 3 bedrooms are also off of that hallway. The door on the right there is into the family bathroom. And that's a full bath with an overhead shower. So bedroom number 1. Nice size double, fitted wardrobes, air conditioning unit. And double bedroom number 2 off to the right hand side of the hall. Again with fitted wardrobes, air conditioning. And then the master, 3rd bedroom. A lot of you will recognise this design. It was one of the most popular kind of design layouts. Good size ensuite shower with towel heater there. Double door access you saw from the other side out into the conservatory. Air conditioning and ceiling fan. So there you have it, Villa Cinta, 184,999 euros. A very spacious 3-bed, 2-bathroom villa, huge summer kitchen bar with external porch, 8x4 tile pool, winter room conservatory, further large covered porch off of the front door, and within walking distance of 3 lovely bar restaurants. What an absolute cracking bargain of a property. Full details in the link below. I think this one's going to get an awful lot of interest, and to arrange a viewing, contact us in the normal way, khalidahomes@hotmail.com. Give us a call, +34 950 430 763. Looking forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.